In the diagram, RT is a tangent to the circle at R. Angle PQR is equal to 70 degrees. Angle QRT is equal to 52 degrees. Angle QSR is equal to Y. And angle PRQ is equal to X. Find the value of X. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. We are going to use the information found on this diagram to find the value of X. One of the theorems of a circle is that in a circle, the angle between a chord and a tangent at the end of the chord is equal to the angle subtended by the chord in the alternate segment. On this diagram here, we have the tangent RT and the chord RQ. There's an angle formed between the tangent RT and the chord RQ, and that is the angle QRT, which is 52 degrees. The theorem says that the angle between a chord and a tangent at the end of the chord is equal to the angle subtended by the chord in the alternate segment. Here, the chord QR and the tangent RT meets to form the angle QRT, which is 52 degrees. And at the same time, the chord QR forms the angle QPR in this segment. So we have this angle here, angle QPR. The theorem says that the angle between the chord and the tangent is equal to the angle that the chord subtends in the alternate segment. So here the angle QRT, which is the angle between the chord and the tangent, is equal to the angle QPR, which is the angle subtended by the chord QR in this segment. So the angle QRT, which is 52 degrees, is equal to the angle QPR. So angle QPR is also 52 degrees. Considering the triangle QPR, we have the interior angle here to be 52 degrees, the interior angle here to be 70 degrees, and the interior angle here to be X. We know that angles in a triangle sum up to 180 degrees. So angle QPR, which is 52 degrees, plus angle PRQ, which is X, plus angle PQR, which is 70 degrees, is equal to 180 degrees. And so we will have 52 degrees plus X plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 52 degrees plus 70 degrees will give us 122 degrees. So X is equal to 180 degrees minus 122 degrees. And this will give us X is equal to 58 degrees. So it means that the value of X in this diagram is 58 degrees. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C.